Ash, says Stacey. Everybody likes him, that's what I hate that because it makes me look bad.
I'm pretty sure they don't, there's probably a few.
But so he's been with Joyflow, he's worked with several different brands, he's now with Joyflow, he also works with the Stafford education, so he goes training through colleges throughout England. He's a brand ambassador for Alpha Italia and does a lot of their socials. He has his own YouTube channel, it's just past 70,000 subscribers. I'll tell you a bit more about that, so it's just an incredible task. It's not like a follow or subscribe, you have to sign up and put an email in, or that's 70,000. I think it makes you this, are you still second largest in the UK? So it's second largest YouTube hairdresser in the UK. Is it still James, number one?
Yeah.
But it can't be much in it now, is there?
No, it's like 12,000.
And the difference is that in the very first lockdown, this 2 years ago now, just over 2 years ago, Paul had 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, or 1,800 I think, was it?
Well, when I remember logging into it when I first started, it was like 300 and something, and I was just.
And we started talking about doing stuff then, and he said, I want to get to 100,000 in the next 2 to 3 years. I was like, good luck with that. And here we are, like 2 years on, 70,000 subscribers. Does how many videos a week? I don't know, 3, 4 videos.
Yeah, 4 now.
4 videos a week going out on his channel.
Yeah.
And now he's been able to monetize it and makes a really healthy, which if you want to tell him you can, he makes a healthy living from YouTube.
I discussed it daily when we were in Italy the other day.
Yeah, because one video he did, the Wolf Cut video.
Yeah, so
it's gone viral, right?
Yeah.
And there's how many million views is that?
3.2. Like makeup area here.
So that's we kind of just don't utilise it enough. Like a lot of times we don't utilise it enough, and it's a fantastic vehicle to be able to use. I think social media.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to say today is get your phones out, take loads of pictures, and
with the thing with cutting, we use that as a GPS to follow it all the way through, so we know we're taking that length off there. And with colour, it should just be exactly the same. And my biggest thing, what am I doing? Section. What now?
So I get a bit more of that, but I still vary it.
Yeah.
But the challenge I think, and I think when, like as an educator or whatever, and I try to do the same in the salons.
Would you agree?
Yeah.
I think when people start to get the name right, and this is what I remember with Victoria Beckham's haircut, the pop. Anybody remember that?
Yep.
Yeah. When people start to get the name right, that's when it becomes like a salon classic. The clients, all of them are coming in saying, I want a balayage. As soon as you've got people saying, oh, balayage or balayage or whatever, it's still a trend. As soon as everybody starts coming in, oh, booking for a balayage, to me that tells me that everybody knows it, they've had it, and we need to start moving on to something else, or start promoting something else. Which is why I've gone back to foiling, but doing quicker aspects, because they're used to it. They're used to, like, rather than sitting there for ages foiling, they're used to us pulling out big sections and freehanding it all in. And when that could be a real decision maker, if they're sitting there thinking, right, I'm going to be here for what, 3 hours? Because that's what it was with balayage. If they're going to be here for 4 because they're having foils, that would be a big decision maker for me anyway.
Translating that to the salon, that's how I look after my clients. I try to kind of exceed their value, or what their value base is, and how to continually kind of meet their expectations and exceed them. Like, I think I charge a lot of money for hair, right? So I think on average, probably double what most salons charge for haircut in Cardiff. The application was shocking.
People bringing photos.
And then, of course, you talk to a colourist then, okay, and she said, oh, how big is section? How much colour do you put on there? And I'm like, did you need back home? I know, you know, I just copied the video, you know, like, Paul did this, and I just did it with Paul. She's like, yeah, just leave it to me next time. But that kind of brute tap, we're not going to go that anymore, we can go right all over. And I was like, that's didn't mind, she has been gone, didn't she? So she didn't mind. But it was like a nightmare. Right? But yeah, it was, so you get things wrong all the time, you know, it's kind of, and then give all the feedback, and then they'll make adjustments to the products or the colours on her say-so. It's a massive job for her, and so it's not just her, there's a team with her as well, but she heads it all up.
Because that's what we go over there and test
And that's
it all
what
as well.
and so we get stuff.
The blonde course? No, this is just the new products.
Okay. There's a course out there, isn't there, with sugar blondes?
Blondes?
Yeah.
What, Blonde Ambition?
Yeah, maybe that's what it's called. In October, September, something.
Bonded by Blonde? Bonded by Blonde?
I just think it's out in Helen.
Okay.
Blonde one.
I have no idea what I can say and what I can't,
Okay.
but
That one I think is on the website.
I've
so
basically
you
just
should
told you.
talk about it.
Anyway,
Won't say anything.
if you do, I know where it came from.
I'm just going to send a quick email or something. A quick tweet.
No, it's just
Go through by default. Right.
So just sizzle away. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Pop!
She made me out. She too fast.
Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Pop! Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Pop! Yeah?
And then add a number of
Scroll to what?
No, just the, so where we pressed split, it highlighted our next clip, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we want to delete it.
What are we deleting?
Right, oh, got you, yeah.
Where's delete?
Just down on the bottom scroll bar,
Right, you just want to deleting it if I just put it on there.
because we're creating a reel. So you've been filming quite a lot of content.
Oh, I see.
Split it by year, didn't you?
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
You want her to split the 1 to 3 seconds, don't you?
Oh,
Delete that.
video will see.
So this is in the next clip, the next file. So the next file that we've
Is
done.
this the third one?
I'm totally lost. I've lost it.
Let me just rewind it.
No,
So-
no, don't rewind
No,
for
no,
me,
no.
that was fine.
So we've got our first clip. It went to 3 seconds, and we split it. So then we then deleted the next of that clip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you've deleted that, and then what would have been left with? Yeah. So now we're left with.
A little clip 6 seconds.
Video.
Yeah.
So can I press play and have a look at the final
You
one?
can. Okay. And then scroll to 9 seconds. And then split.